Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another thrilling episode where we dive deep into the mysteries of the universe. Imagine this. You're floating in space minding your own business when suddenly, you're pulled into a black hole. What happens next? It's a scenario straight out of a sci-fi movie, but let's break it down. Well, buckle up because we're about to take a wild ride through the cosmos and explore how black holes can mess with time itself. It's a journey that will stretch your imagination and challenge your understanding of reality. First things first, a black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape it. Sounds pretty intense, right? These cosmic giants are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycles. But here's where it gets really interesting. Black holes don't just warp space, they also warp time. This phenomenon is known as time dilation, and it's one of the most mind-bending aspects of black holes. Let's say you're falling into a black hole. As you approach, the gravitational pull becomes stronger and stronger. As you get closer to the event horizon, the point of no return, time starts to slow down. This boundary is where the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. To an outside observer, it would look like you're moving slower and slower, almost like you're in slow motion. This is because the intense gravity of the black hole is warping the fabric of space-time. In fact, if someone were watching you from a distance, it would seem like you were frozen in time right at the event horizon. This effect is due to the extreme time dilation caused by the black hole's gravity, but for you, time feels normal. Crazy, right? This is because time dilation affects only the perception of time for an outside observer, not for the person experiencing it. Now let's take it a step further. If you were to somehow survive the extreme conditions and actually cross the event horizon, things get even weirder. If you were to somehow survive the extreme conditions and actually cross the event horizon, things get even weirder. Inside the black hole, the rules of physics as we know them start to break down. Inside the black hole, all paths lead to the singularity, the point where gravity is infinitely strong and the laws of physics as we know them break down. The singularity is a one-dimensional point which contains a huge mass in an infinitely small space. Here, time and space swap roles. What does that mean? Essentially, the dimensions of time and space become interchangeable. Basically, you can only move forward in time towards the singularity and there's no turning back. The singularity acts as a one-way street, pulling everything inexorably towards it. But here's the kicker. The closer you get to the singularity, the more time slows down, relative to the outside universe. This means that time dilation becomes even more extreme as you approach the core. So, if you were to somehow look back at the universe outside the black hole, you'd see time speeding up. The universe outside would appear to be moving at an incredibly fast pace. Days, years, even millennia could pass in the blink of an eye. This is because the gravitational time dilation near the singularity is so extreme. In a sense, falling into a black hole is like traveling to the future, but there's no coming back. Once you cross the event horizon, you're on a one-way trip to the singularity. So, there you have it. Black holes are not just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they're also time machines of sorts. Black holes are not just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they're also time machines of sorts. They stretch and twist the fabric of space-time in ways that are still mind-boggling to scientists today. They stretch and twist the fabric of space-time in ways that are still mind-boggling to scientists today. The study of black holes continues to reveal new insights into the nature of our universe. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing science content. Your support helps us bring you more fascinating explorations of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.